very, very fun. It has different colors, different words. It is a very good approach because it has tactile, it has visual, yeah, it has audio, like it tackles all of that approach.
Learning style. Okay. And is it one thing that you are taking from the Teachers Development Center today?
Come again?
Is it one thing that you are taking from the center today?
Yes, definitely. Definitely. I've been struggling on how to help these children learn how to form these words and also read them. I've basically been using the Blackboard more, but this is very fun and it will help them more, even learn how to read.
Okay.
Since they find out different sounds, syllables, and they put them together, it will help them to read.
Okay.
It's really worth it.
It's really worth it. Thank you. Teachers, is it an interesting moment? Huh? Very, eh? Uh-huh. Yeah, there. Okay. How is the approach? Teacher, how is it? Is it enjoyable?
This is for this.
Okay, and how is the approach? The approach is good, eh? How is the approach? It's good, eh? Are we okay? These are our shapes, eh? Now, teacher, how do you see this? Like, assume when kids are using this. Sorry? It's easy to understand, eh? And, like, have you been using it at school?
No.
So, are you going to...
been using Blackboard.
Now, are you going to start using this?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
And the bottle-tops, are they hard to get?
We can get. Everywhere.
Sorry? It attracts the learner's attention. Teacher, anything about the approach? Okay. Okay. And have you been using it?
No.
Are you going to use it?
Yes.
Have you seen any value for time you're being here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Sorry?
Very nice. Actually, it's not. By a child doing this, a child can't forget it.
Okay. All right.
Instead, now it is a practical pace. It is a room for the children. Instead of having other games to play like music, non-learning games, the children will take this at home as well and continue with learning. Because now when the child has learned this from school,
They can also take it.
take the same
Skills and
skill, but in the playing way.
play-based learning. Members, have you heard what she has said? That this is a skill that we can use even after class. The child can take the same knowledge home. Isn't it? And learning will continue up to where? Home. So members, kindly now, right now in this session, move around to see what other people have done and take photos. Yes. These are sources of light. Teacher, how is this approach according to you? Do we use this? Have you been using it at your school? And is it something that can make sense?
Actually, we have been using this at our school.
Amazing.
School Wakiso Classic.
Hey, Wakiso Classic, I agree.
So, I've liked this method because first of all, it helps these learners, help learners also do things practically.
Because you have ever trained your teachers?
Yes. So here we have come up with some sources of light. Like we have the moon,
Okay.
we have the star, we have the sun, we also have the bulb also,
Yes.
and the torch. Yes. So this is the best.
No, maybe this is the first time I've never used these things at school.
Okay.
But I think this is an experience I've learned and here.
Okay.
I promise I'm going to try this method.
And is it something that you have seen?
Yes, I've actually applied very many things for this platform.
Okay.
Using the materials, really.
The method is real. Okay. Thank you.
We have who, she, crouch, hide, judge, pen, he, box, hide, fly, hard, ouch, be, fry, mat, legs, drop, bed, bay, girl.
And you have made them out of?
Come again?
You have made them out of? Yes, thank you.
It has been very good. It looks so educative. I personally loved it because I've looked at the different kinds of activities that have been done, and I find that it would be easy for a child to learn, even just mere seeing it, you know. First of all, it brings a lot of excitement. And you know, when these children are excited, they're excited to know what is taking place, what is this, what is that, and they learn more.
Okay.
What I know.
So,
I'm going to put it into practice, like personally.
did you expect to get such a workship?
No.
What did you expect?
I didn't have a lot of expectations, but I expected to learn from this part of non-print.
Okay.
At least I'm very conversant with the print, but the non-print matter I didn't know. I didn't know how to go about it, but I'm sure I've learned.
Perfect. These are?
These are the sources of water.
Okay.
We have a lake. We have a tap.
Okay.
We have a river.
Okay.
We have a stream. We have a
Without
tank
forgetting the water tank.
and a well.
Okay.
So this is where we can access water in case we want to use.
All right. Thank you very much.
This one is a uniput.
Uniport.
This one is a bungalow.
Bangalo.
That one is a man. This one is a
Church.
Then this one is a market.
Okay, what you mukoze? Thank you. Things at home, What is this?
A spoon, a bed, table,
Okay.
An empty set, equal set, universal, subset,
This is non-equivalent,
non-equivalent, equivalent,
non-equal.
non-equal.
Now, teacher, is it something that at least we can use to stimulate learning?
Obviously, I've liked this method because it can involve the learners to master the content very well. Reason being, a learner can be able to touch and make these signs of these sets, which he can recall even in the absence of the teacher.
Okay.
And he can also use other materials while he or she is at home. He can make these sets of which he can never forget easily. Yeah, I've liked it.
Thank you very much. And your name?
My name is Teacher John Bosco from Lavington Junior School, Makerere.
Thank you, Teacher John Bosco. Okay, members, what?
I'm Teacher Sarah. I want to say I'm so grateful for the session that I've had today. Reason being, I have been a teacher that has been so dependent on charts, doing everything on charts, and the whole class of mine has been chart-oriented, and not knowing there are other techniques of teaching or maybe making learners learn. And that is what I've learned today on how to use hands-on. So it has made me learn that when I let my children learn through hands-on, this can continuously be a process that children can even go at home and continue learning with it. For example, what I did today, my learners, if I taught them the same technique, they can continue with it even when they are at home. So meaning learning does not only end in my class, learning continues up to home. So I want to give a vote of thanks to teachers in need, because if it were not for them, this wouldn't have been a ground for me to learn. It's because of teachers in need that have learned all this. So I want to give them a vote of thanks, because I've learned this from Teachers Development Center, that is